Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, hope you are fine. Alhamdulillah, in our previous lecture, we see the reproduction. Now, our next one topic is the type of reproduction, that is asexual reproduction. So we know that asexual reproduction, in asexual reproduction, A is stand for no and the sex is stand for the male and female. So basically the definition of asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction in which both the male sex as well as the female sex is not required to reproduce their young ones. यानी कि asexual reproduction में किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म को रिप्रोडक्शन करने के लिए दोनों मेल और फीमेल का होना जरूरी नहीं होता है. And we know that in asexual reproduction there is no variations because there is no use of a gametes. Okay, so asexual reproduction is of following types. First one is binary fusion. First one is binary fusion. So as you know that, focus on our term, that is a binary fusion. Binary mean what? Break into two part. Binary mean what? Break into two part. Binary मतलब के दो part में divide हो जाना. And the fusion is breakdown of a organism into two part called binary fusion. Binary fusion, especially it takes place in amoeba. Binary fusion takes place in amoeba. As you know that amoeba is irregular in shape. It is unicellular organism. It is unicellular organism and irregular in shape. Whenever these amoeba get a favorable condition, such as the proper water, proper nourishment, proper environment, then they will grow. They will divide into two amoeboid cells. After some favorable condition, it divide to form two daughter amoeba. It will form two daughter amoeba. So look at here. These are the daughters of amoeba and that is a parental amoeboid cell. For the formation of these two daughter amoeboid cells, there is no use of a male and females is required. There is no need of male as well as the female is required. So it is called as binary fusion. Okay? Now the second one is multiple fusion. Multiple stand for many more and the fusion stand for the breakdown. It is also takes place in amoeba. As you know that amoeba is unicellular organism. It is irregular in shape. It is unicellular microorganism and it is irregular in shape. That is called as the pseudopodia. That forms are called pseudopodia. In unfavorable condition, whenever these amoeba get unfavorable condition, then that amoeba stole their pseudopodia. It takes pseudopodia inside the body and become a hard covering and form a hard covering around the body. That hard covering is called cyst. But amoeba continuously performing the division, he formed many more amoeboid cells internally. He form many more amoeboid cells in the body after a favorable condition. In a favorable condition, whenever these amoeboid cells is in favorable condition, that means a suitable condition, it breaks their cyst wall. It breaks their cyst wall, which is a hard covering around the amoeboid cells. It breaks cyst wall, and many more amoeboid cells are releases. Many more amoeboid cells are releases. Hence, here the one parental amoeboid cells form a multiple amoeboid cell without the use of male and female. That is an example of asexual reproduction. Okay? And the third one is fragmentation. Third one is the fragmentation. Fragmentation is especially takes place in Spirogyra. As we know that Spirogyra is green color organism, especially found in water. It is aquatic organism. It is a ribbon-like organism. It is a ribbon-like organism, and especially Spirogyra is a multicellular organism. We see the binary fission in amoeba and multiple fission in amoeba, but the amoeba is a unicellular microorganism and the Spirogyra is a multicellular microorganism. In Spirogyra, the reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Suppose that is the Spirogyra. Whenever that Spirogyra take a favorable condition, whenever these Spirogyra take a favorable condition, we know that about what is mean by the favorable condition: the suitable environment, suitable presence of water, suitable pH, etc., etc. Whenever these Spirogyra take a suitable condition or under a favorable condition, it will grow in their size. It will grow in their size and divide into two equal or unequal parts, and cut or divide into two equal or unequal parts, such as, and form daughter Spirogyra and form daughter Spirogyra. These daughter Spirogyra under a developmental process or favorable condition grow and ready to reproduce their young ones. So the Spirogyra perform fragmentation. Okay. Now the next one is budding, the type of reproduction or asexual reproduction, that is budding. So the budding takes place in yeast microorganism. Budding takes place in yeast microorganism. These are the structure of yeast. Whenever that bacteria or yeast under a suitable or favorable environment or condition, it will divide the nucleus. Firstly, it will divide the nucleus and form a small bud on their surface, After the complete division of that nucleus, the nucleus is enter into that bud, and that bud is further grows. That is called as daughter yeast. So that is a bud, hence it is called as the budding. Budding takes place in yeast. Yeast, a microorganism, under a favorable condition, it will form a bud and divide the nucleus into two parts. Firstly, the nucleus is enter into that bud. After the entry of the nucleus in the bud or the newly formed bud grow, and that process is further goes on. That process is called as budding. So look at here, dear student. In budding, there is no use of a male partner as well as a female partner. It is called as asexual reproduction. Okay? You enjoy the video and understand